Okay, I came across a pretty good deal on this little. I think it's a little Toro 20 snow thrower with the paddles in the front, and it's all right. Paddles look worn. Anyways, let's see if it fires. I got it. It basically was going to the local landfill, and by golly, I'm not gonna say it was in there, but kind of sure looked like it was. So it has gas in it. I'll prime the hell out of it. Now I'm priming it till I can hear the gas going. Okay, she runs on prime. Doesn't run on normal, so I'll keep the choke back on. I tried shutting it off there. Okay, the paddles are not moving, so I suspect that's why this was on the outs. So we're gonna have a look to see what is going on here.